Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here they given the methane. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. Here to find the hybridization, you should know the steric number where carbon valency V is 4, hydrogen atom B is 4. So if you apply in the formula, you have 8 by 2 which gives 4. So steric number is 4. Lone pair is H minus B is 0. H4 means sp3 hybridization. Everybody knows carbon is tetrahedral. It can be better realized by 3D animation. So methane hybridization is sp3, shape is tetrahedral. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.